за нашу Россию, за наши доблестные вооруженные силы, за победу! Ура!
A war has been unleashed against Russia, but we have defeated terrorism. We will cope with this, President of Russia Vladimir Putin said during his Victory Day parade speech on Red Square in Moscow, May 9, 2023. Putin added the West provokes conflicts and upheavals, destroys traditional values in order to continue to dictate its own rules, and in fact, a system of robbery and violence. Russia believes that any ideology of superiority is by its nature disgusting, criminal and deadly, the president pointed out. The globalist elites keep insisting on their exceptionalism. They pit people against each other, split societies, provoke bloody conflicts and coups, sour hatred, Russophobia and aggressive nationalism, destroy traditional family values that make human a human, Putin said. According to the Russian leader, all this is being done by the US and allies in order to further dictate their will, their rights and their rules, and implement what is basically a system of robbery, violence and suppression on the international stage. Referring to the conflict in Ukraine, Putin said that a real war has been unleashed against our motherland. But we resisted international terrorism. We'll also defend the residents of Donbass and assure our security. Putin also congratulates military personnel on the 78th anniversary of World War II Victory Day. Defense of the motherland is forever sacred to us.
За нашу Россию, за наши доблестные вооруженные силы, за победу! Ура!
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.